Do you love tacos? Do you love soup? Then you're gonna love this hearty taco soup. Start by sauteing 1 diced onion in 2 teaspoons of olive oil over medium-high heat. Once the onions are translucent and smell amazing, add 2 cloves of finely minced garlic and stir to combine. After about 30 seconds or so, add 1 pound of ground beef or any type of ground meat that you prefer. Break the meat apart and fry until browned and fully cooked. There will be a fair bit of excess fat from the beef, so carefully drain it through a sieve, then return to the pot. Pour in 3 cups of beef broth and 1 15-ounce can of crushed tomatoes. And now it's time to season. Add chili powder, paprika, cumin, red pepper flakes, garlic powder, onion powder, oregano, and dried parsley. Finally, sprinkle in salt and pepper to taste. Mix all the spices into the soup, then add 2 diced fresh tomatoes, 1 16-ounce can of kidney beans, 1 cup of sweet corn, 1 15-ounce can of black beans, and 1 dried bay leaf. Stir everything together, then bring up to a boil, cover, reduce the heat to medium, and simmer for 30 minutes, stirring occasionally. When it's finished simmering and all the flavors have gotten to know each other, give the soup one more stir and remove the bay leaf. Now stir in half a cup of chopped fresh cilantro if it doesn't taste like soap for you. Serve with your favorite taco toppings like avocado, cheese, and sour cream. And subscribe to Dished for more easy recipes.